Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Brother Sergers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Brother Serger. The Brother 1034D is a durable serger made with a high-quality metal frame and interior components. The Brother 1034D serger features a 3/4 lay-in thread system with lower loop per threader. This stitch options include 4-thread overlock, 3-thread overlock, narrow hem, rolled hem and ribbon lock stitches. Additionally, you can sew blind hem, pin tuck and flat lock stitches by purchasing optional presser feet. The machine has a free arm/flatbed convertible sewing surface. The 1034D also offers a FASD lower looper threading system for easy thread changes. The differential feet improve sewing results on stretch or thin fabrics to give you a perfect finish. Snap-on presser feet allow quick and easy changes to transition to each desired stitch. This machine does not conform to international electronic codes. Warranty is voided outside the US. At number 4 we have Brother Serger. The Brother 2340CV is a sturdy cover stitch dedicated serger made with a metal frame and internal parts. The 2-needle 234 cover stitch functions are great for working with stretch fabrics, as well as creating necklines and hems. It featuring tri-cover stitch, wide and narrow cover stitches along with easy-to-follow color-coded threading and cover stitch capability of 3mm to 6mm for thicker materials. The 2340CV has a maximum sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute that allowing you to serger more in less time. At number 3 we have Brother Serger. The Brother Designio DZ1234 is a durable 3 to 4 thread serger made with a metal frame. It has a high-performance 3 to 4 thread serger with an adjustable stitch width between 3.0mm to 7.0mm. That allows you to select the right stitch width for your project. You can create more in less time with the DZ1234's fast stitching speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. It is easy to use with color-coded thread guides, numbered upper and lower thread loopers and included instructional video and printed manual. At number 2 we have Brother Serger. The SD4031HD is a strong, reliable serger built to tackle heavy-duty projects with its sturdy metal frame. This strong and tough Series 3 to 4 thread serger has a high durability blade made from extra hard carbon steel. That's producing a smoother cut edge and a clean professional finish. You can get more serging done in less time with a maximum sewing speed of up to 1,300 stitches per minute. This color-coded thread guides along with numbered upper and lower thread loopers make the SD4031HD easy to use. At number 1 we have Brother Serger. The Brother 2340CV is a sturdy cover stitch dedicated serger made with a metal frame and internal parts. The 2-needle 234 cover stitch functions are great for working with stretch fabrics, as well as creating necklines and hems. It featuring tri-cover stitch, wide and narrow cover stitches along with easy-to-follow color-coded threading and cover stitch capability of 3mm to 6mm for thicker materials. The 2340CV has a maximum sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute allowing you to serger more in less. The Brother 1034D is a durable serger made with a high-quality metal frame and interior components. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Brother Sergers for your need.